Hi, today we're gonna make something real simple. We're gonna cook like salmon fried rice. This is salmon. What we're gonna use about we use around a pound of salmon, and we take the skin off. Okay, we take the skin off here and wash them a little bit. Okay, nice and dry. Now we cut it. If you this is a tail, here's the tail pieces for the salmon. So you just cut them up. See, you just cut them up pieces. Cut them square pieces. Okay, just put some white pepper in it. Just sprinkle some white pepper in it. And some salt. Kind of mix them up. You're gonna put some cornstarch in it. And some oil. Alright, then we're gonna heat up the pan, try to cook them. So you turn it on. Okay, the pan is hot, so we're gonna start putting some oil into it. Put a couple tablespoons. Then we're gonna fry up the salmon first. Okay. We have to brown this up before we cook in the fried rice. They're real easy to cook. You just brown them up a little bit. They're really easy to cook. Only thing you have to do is just make sure that when you punch it in and it come off. You can go punch through it. If you punch through it like that, that means they are pretty much cooked. So really keep cooking it a little bit more, and that's it. Okay, so it's cooked. So we're going to scoop them out. So you see these big pieces. See, they open it up. That means they cook. Okay, so we drink the oil. We're not going to using the oil because after you cook the fish, the oil will real fishy. So we change a new oil. Okay, then we're gonna start cooking the fried rice. The fried rice we're gonna use eggs and bean sprout and chop onions and green onion and some of the, because the fish where we have to put some gingers in it. Okay, and also the cilantro we're gonna put that in specially for the fish fried rice. Okay, then we're gonna put the egg in it. We're gonna use 2 eggs. Okay. So you have to cook the egg have to be cooked through before you put anything else in it. And after that, you're gonna put onions in it, some onions, chopped onion and green onion. You put half the green onions in it, and you save half for the when it's done. And some bean sprout. And gingers. And you're going to cook some rice ahead of time, or you can use a fresh cooked rice in a rice cooker or pan, you know. And we use about 2 cup, probably around about 6 cup of rice, okay, 6 cup of rice. And the rice, you can cook them ahead of time, or you can cook them fresh, you know, just right out of the cooker. Or you can look it up on our video, show you how to cook the steamed rice. Okay, then put some white pepper in it. Just sprinkle a little bit, like that. Little bit of sesame seed oil, one spoon. So take little time to kind of browning them up. You know, you can see them, the rice browning them up. Soy sauce in it. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce in it. We mix together. Okay, then we put the leftover green onions in it and the cilantro in it. We're gonna put the salmon in it now. Okay, I think that's done. Okay, this is salmon fried rice.